what you were doing when you walked away. Made sure the law would help you. Left me here to pay. Built your freedom on my ruin, brick by cold brick. Now I'm out here with nothing, and you made it stick. You planned every move like I didn't exist. Left me in the wreckage, still clenching your fists. And you sleep just fine in your comfort and pride, while I dig through the mess you left behind. I hate what you did. You broke what we had and then ran and hid. You took all the air, left me gasping alone. No shelter, no mercy, no place to call home. And you call that love? No, that was control. You wanted to win, so you sold my soul. You smile in your silence like you've done no wrong, but I carried the weight. I held on too long. You emptied the house, you emptied my name, but you'll never erase the truth or the shame. You think you're the smart one, the clean getaway, but you left a scar I feel every day. No court, no judge, no lie you defend can rewrite the way the story ends. I hate what you did. You burned it all down, left me where I lived. You turned your back when I needed you most. Left me for dead like I was a ghost. And you call that love? No, that was a war. You walked away, but I'm not yours anymore. Don't ask for forgiveness. Don't look for grace. You made your choices. Now live with that way. I hate what you did, but I'm done with pretending. I'll just forgive. You broke me wide open and called it fair, but you'll never forget that I was there. And you call that love? It was a lie in disguise. You didn't love me, you just needed a prize. And I hope someday you hear this and know you did win. You just let me